Thank you for choosing Cosmos, your enterprise order management system. The product guide covers the various features you need to know to use Cosmos effectively. Chapter 1, Introduction to Cosmos. In this chapter, we are going to cover the following topics. A brief introduction to Cosmos and its history. Canonical terminology, landing page, and various menu options. Cosmos stands for Customer Order Sourcing and Management of Supply. It is a leading B2B order management platform with multiple capabilities to support a diverse set of business processes. Albertsons, our first customer of Cosmos, replaced 3 legacy systems with Enterprise Cosmos. Make yourself familiar with keywords used in Cosmos. Product refers to the items defined in the item file. Physical goods shipped from a supplier to a customer. Customer refers to the entity that purchases the product from a supplier. A customer can be a store, a warehouse, a wholesale, or an e-commerce customer. Supplier refers to the entity that delivers the product to the customer. A supplier can be warehouse, B2B supplier, or a store. After you log in, this is the landing page to start your journey into Cosmos. First, we will review the features offered by the Cosmos portal by going through the side menu bar options. Manage Orders allows you to search and manage the orders using various filter options. You can edit a single order or use the bulk edit options to manage multiple orders at once. Clone an existing order using the replay feature. Create rush and transfer orders with an intuitive interface. Do you want to create multiple orders at once? No problem. You can upload up to 1 million orders using a bulk order CSV template. It's worth mentioning that Cosmos integrates with various enterprise systems to automatically source orders. More about it in later chapters. Cosmos provides features like auto-allocation, auto-substitution, product rejection, and adjustments based on various rules. Sometimes you want to adjust the orders manually, and that's when order allocation becomes useful. It offers you options like allocation or smoothing of orders, substituting or replacing a product with another, and canceling a specific product across multiple orders in a single click. A customizable business rule management feature. Create rules like pallet round up and round down. Restrict quantities for a specific product or entire order. Enable or disable auto-allocation and substitution for an order type. Auto-reduce or increase the quantities. Create rules to put a hold on orders. It is useful in case of disruption or when the supplier becomes unavailable due to unforeseen events like inclement weather. Group your customers and suppliers. By grouping similar customers and suppliers into various groups, you can reduce the maintenance overhead. We will cover the group types in upcoming chapters. One of Cosmos's most important features sets it apart from its competitors. We call it DSOS, or Dynamic Source of Supply. Here, you define the criteria for assigning the suppliers to an order, an admin function to manage users and permissions. Once the user is authenticated using single sign-on, its authorization profile is configured under settings to determine what features the user can access. A unique feature of Cosmos is that it easily integrates with any TMS or transportation management system. You can send the cube and weight of the order right from Cosmos. Inbound schedules define the schedule of the orders that are inbound into Cosmos from the customer. They are also used to monitor missing orders. The inbound schedule determines the process and delivery date to be applied for the order. A handy feature to easily copy and paste existing schedules to build new ones. Release schedules define the schedule of the orders that are outbound from Cosmos to the supplier. It determines when the order should be sent to WMS or the warehouse management system. A business admin function to customize how the order management system will process your order. Declare which inventory buckets to use for auto-allocation and which order statuses are allowed to route the orders. Enable training mode, customize grace windows for inbound schedules, and many more configurations. Search, filter, and download various reports. You can see reports at order and product levels. Last but not least, a user activity monitoring feature is useful for system support. Thank you. In this chapter, we learned about various features the Cosmos portal offers. We will see you in the next chapter.